What's going on, guys? My name's Anthony and welcome back to another tutorial. So first off, I just want to say I apologize if I sound like the Grudge right now, but I was just getting over a little cold and I still sound a little raspy, so I'm going to be taking little frequent water breaks. So if I just stop talking for a little bit, it's not because I passed out or anything, it's because I'm just taking a water break. So anyways, I've been getting a lot of emails in my email box, and again, asking me if I'm dead. I am not dead. I'll keep you posted if I ever do die. I don't want to leave any of you loyal subscribers stranded out there without CompSci Studio by your side. But anyways, I've been getting a lot of emails again about different tutorials, and something keeps reoccurring asking how to speed up my Windows 7 PC, either because it's too slow or they just want to get a little bit more of a performance boost on startup or something like that. So I compiled a little programming joke. I compiled a list of 5 things of what to do to speed up your computer. So the first thing I did is I'm going to do a little disk cleanup for you guys. So to do that, we have to go to our start menu orb down here and then go over to computer. Just click on that and then right click on your main hard drive. So this is going to be your local disk. It's probably going to be labeled C. So right click on that, go down to properties now, and then you should see something that says disk cleanup. So there's a little button down here, hit that, and then it'll run through a disk cleanup, and there will be a bunch of files that it'll find. It shouldn't take very long because I already did one just to test it out. So it's going to calculate, do a bunch of things, and it's basically going to find the files in your system that you don't actually really need. So right here, as you can see, I don't have very many. It found some downloaded program files, temporary internet files, temporary files, recycle bin, all this stuff, all these files that you don't actually need for your computer to work. So if you guys want to get rid of these, just hit OK, and it'll get rid of all those unnecessary files in your computer system. So I hope this doesn't take very long because I don't want this. Yeah, I don't know how long this is going to take. It takes more than... There we go, good. Didn't want this video to get too long. So after that, my second step, whenever I'm cleaning up my computer, is I go and check for errors in the hard drive. So to do this, go over to Tools, and then go hit the Check Now button, and it'll run you through the error checking process. So I'm not going to do that. I'm sure you guys can follow prompts as long as you can read English and know how to click a button. Third thing that you do is you go down here and hit the Defragment Now button. Now basically defragmentation, I'm going to give you guys a little rundown of what it is. Basically you have a bunch of data stored on your hard drive. But when you store data on your hard drive, it doesn't store it in a neat way. It kind of puts it everywhere. And defragmentation basically takes that data and groups it together so it's more compact, and it actually frees up some disk space while it's at it too. So hit that little button, and that's your third step. Now the fourth step is a little more difficult, and you're going to have to go down to your start orb again, and then you're going to have to type in a command. You're going to type in msconfig, so msconfig. I'll put that on the screen, or no, not on the screen. Yeah, I'll put it in an annotation on the screen, and hit enter. And then go over to the startup little tab up here, and basically this is all the programs, all the ones that are checked here are the ones that are going to start up whenever I boot up my computer. So if you don't want one of these programs that are checked here to boot up with your computer, make sure you uncheck them, and make sure you don't uncheck something called like Microsoft Windows operating system. Don't uncheck that, that's probably a bad idea. Something will break. So make sure you're unchecking stuff that you know exactly what they do. Like if I don't want QuickTime, I really don't want QuickTime to start up whenever I boot up my computer, so I can uncheck that, and basically now that program won't be running in the background whenever my computer is on. And I don't want my camera to be on, so I'll uncheck that as well. And then after that, hit apply, and then hit OK. I'm not going to restart, or else this video will end, so I'm going to exit without restart. And then finally, the last thing I do whenever I'm cleaning up my computer is I go into Uninstall Programs in the Uninstall Wizard. So to do that, if you don't know how to do that, go into Computer, and then there should be a little tab up here in Windows 7. It says Uninstall or Change a Program. Just click on that, and then you'll bring up all the programs that are on your computer. And as you can see, there's a whole bunch of programs here. And this is one that was actually installed that was kind of piggybacked on with some software. So I don't want this because it's actually just junkware, I guess you could call it. So you could go through here. I have a whole lot, and you guys probably have a whole lot too. But go through here and uninstall any programs that you either don't use or got installed when you installed another piece of software. Because a lot of times software developers do that. They give you a bunch of junk software with their software, and it's kind of annoying. So yeah, just right click on it and then go uninstall and change, and then it'll bring up the uninstall wizard. One sec. So yeah, once you're done that is basically all the steps I go through whenever I'm cleaning up my computer. And also I kind of do a little cleanup of the desktop icons and stuff, but that doesn't do any performance boost. So my voice is getting even worse now, and I think my nose is getting clogged up now. That's kind of gross. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below and I'll make sure I get back to it. So see you guys later.